Our learning for this quarter has led us to understand the complexity and unity of life, the important role of our DNA in determining who we are, for one difference in the amino acid and mutation makes all of us individually unique, making us biologically diverse. Let us check if you still remember your previous learnings. For today's lesson discussion is all about population growth and its affecting factors. This is the biosphere, which consists of different ecosystems with interacting communities. A community is a group of different species living in the same area, and a group of species is a population. Here are some collective names of some populations. When we talk about population in biology, it pertains to all the organisms of the same group or species that live in a particular geographical location and have the potential to interbreed. Populations grow or reduce over time, and this total number of individuals is referred to as population size. What affects the population to increase and decrease? Birth rate, also known as natality, is the total number of live human births per 1,000 population for a given period. Mortality rate, or death rate, is a measure of the number of deaths in a particular population per unit. Migration is the movement of a person or people from one place to another. Emigration is to move out, and immigration is to move in. The population is distributed in various places around the world. The distribution is referred to as population density, which is a measurement of population per unit of land area. This measurement helps determine if an area is overpopulated, for overpopulation gives rise to several problems as it starts to exceed the carrying capacity of that area. Carrying capacity refers to the maximum population size that can be sustained by that specific environment. These include food, water, shelter, air, and medical care services. To support life in the long run, the population size should be controlled based on the limited resources of its environment. These are referred to as the limiting factors. As carrying capacity exceeds, increases competition, predation, and disease outbreaks that result in the decrease of population. This is referred to as the density dependent, or leads to an increased death rate brought on by natural calamities that can affect all organisms of all kinds. This is the density independent limiting factor. Biotic and abiotic factors that are present in an ecosystem. These are the factors that influence the population size of a species. Population exponentially grows as resources are unlimited, due to the attainable carrying capacity. But when the resources are limited, the population exhibits logistic growth. Remember, nature keeps the balance of everything, so let us preserve and take care of it.